What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm making ackee loaf. So let's get straight to it. I'm using whole wheat flour, but you can use regular all-purpose flour. I'm using 4 cups, but as always, I will put the full list of ingredients down below in the description, so make sure to check that out. I'm using the instant yeast, so there's no need to proof it. Once you're done mixing the dry ingredients, set it aside. Here I have some coconut milk, but you can use any plain plant-based milk. To this I added oil and sugar. Once you're done kneading the dough, cover it to rise for about an hour and 15 minutes. While the dough rises, I'm going to prepare the ackee. So here I have onion, garlic, scotch bonnet pepper, scallion, and a piece of bell pepper. Once you're done, go ahead and saute those seasonings. So to a pot, add some oil. Once that's hot, add all your seasonings and allow them to saute for about 2 minutes. Here I'm adding the cooked ackee. I'm also going to season this with some Cajun seasoning, but you can use whatever seasoning of your choice. I'm going to gently stir this, cover the pot, and allow the ackee to heat up properly for about 2 minutes. Once you're done cooking up the ackee, set it aside to cool down a bit. Now that the dough has doubled in size, let's proceed to the remaining steps to make this ackee loaf. So onto a floured surface, go ahead and roll out your dough. I'm using a pot cover to shape out the dough, and honestly this makes it so much easier. Once I'm done, I'm going to add the filling, and you're not limited to ackee. You can add whatever filling. So here I'm lightly brushing the ends with water, and this is just to help to seal the loaf. So once you're done, fold the loaf and use your fingers to press to seal. Once you're done, place the loaves on a baking tray, and once I'm done with everything, I'm going to cover these and allow them to rise for 30 minutes. So just go ahead and repeat the same steps with the remaining dough. For some of the loaves, I did not brush the ends with water, but that's okay. Just make sure to apply pressure when sealing. This recipe makes 6 decent sized loaves. So what I'm going to do now is to cover these and allow them to rise for 30 minutes. After that 30 minutes, I'm going to bake these at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes. So 20 minutes later, Ackee loaf up and running. I'm going to brush the top with some unsalted vegan butter. That's it, lovely people. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you try and enjoy the recipe, and until next time, bless upon yourself.